Hermes Artificial Intelligence helps trading cryptocurrencies. Hello everybody. We are Buy-Sell Style Crypto Traders Club, uniting investors and traders of cryptocurrencies. We make money on crypto trading together. We have been trading cryptocurrencies for 7 years and developing our artificial intelligence Hermes for 3 years. Today, thanks to AIHermes, cryptocurrency trading has become much easier and safer. AIHermes analyzes 200 crypto coins every day. AIHermes looks for anomalies in the charts, traces of trading by big players and funds that manipulate and speculate in the markets. It finds an average of 20 or 30 promising coins for investment and trading. Further, the charts of these coins are visually inspected by experienced traders. Traders confirm the correctness of the selection of coins. And every morning at 9 a.m., time zone +2, our bot sends out entry points, levels for trading and investment, to our club members. Levels for investment and trading AIHermes are anomalous points on the charts, from which a strong directional impulse of price movement is possible. AIHermes levels allow investors to enter the right coin at the right moment with minimal risk and immediately start to profit from the investment. To exit the coin in time and not lose money. Traders AIHermes levels give traders the opportunity to enter a trade with a minimum stop. AIHermes levels are ideal for day traders, allow you to make money on the initial impulses of coins from 1 to 3% with 20-50x leverage and a minimum stop. Investing and trading with AIHermes levels is simple, systematic, clear, and safe. Subscribe to our bot at the link below this video and test AIHermes levels in your investments and trading strategies. Every morning you will have an update on promising coins to invest and trade. Free cryptocurrency trading education, daily reviews and trade breakdowns from AIHermes levels. Trade with us, trade better than us.